Defense. Let's roll. Get the ball. Let's go. Defense. I'm doing it wrong. Let's go football!
Fry that chicken.
This is crazy.
I know. Today we are throwing my fiance Cal a surprise Packers football party. Woo! I'm wearing green in honor of today. Honestly, we're starting way later than I wanted to, so we kind of have to rush through this. I sent Cal out today so that he cannot see us setting up for the party. Momo, I'm telling them about your dad's football game. Today is the official kickoff for the Packers 2024 season. We're so excited. I feel like the Super Bowl was yesterday. I've been waiting for this day for 7 months, and we're gonna surprise him with a full party full of food. He has no idea it's coming. Honestly, I don't even know if he knows they're playing today. I've become a bigger Packers fan than Cal has. Regardless, let's get into the menu. Today, inspired by the US Open, which I saw on TikTok, they had chicken nuggets there, and you could either put truffle or caviar on them, and I wanted to try them, so I figured why not make them from home. So we're gonna make a McDonald's chicken nugget dupe and then top them with caviar and truffles. We're also gonna do bacon wrap dates because that's one of Cal and my favorite appetizers. Cal's favorite appetizer of all time is queso dip, so we're gonna make him some queso blanco dip. You can't have a football game without chicken wings. We can all agree the reason to watch football is for the snacks. Gotta have those, and then of course it's Cal, so we have to get dessert, lots of chocolate. We're doing chocolate covered pretzels, Rice Krispie treats, brownie footballs, and then best of all, we are doing frozen beer garitas, because if there's 2 things in the world, 3 things in the world Cal loves, it's me, beer, and tequila. Are you ready? She said, go team! Let's get into it. Let's get cooking. We have T-minus 3 hours until kickoff, so I need to rush through this. We've got a lot to do. We're gonna start with the things that take the longest, / also need to cool and or freeze until it's time. So let's begin with brownies. Me, I only have 3 hours, me.
Did he invite people?
No, it's just us.
Oh.
We got 2 tablespoons of water. My brain is everywhere. I think I might have put garlic olive oil in that container. Now we're good. Okay, Google, set a timer for 50 minutes. Goodbye, my little babies. Mwah. Wow, those take a long time to cook. Let's move on. Next, we're making Rice Krispie treats. Fun fact, the recipe, the best recipe is on the side of the box. You just need 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 bag of marshmallows, and a box of these bad boys. Let's get to it.
Yummy. It's almost like you have something to do. The time constricted.
I swear, when I have no time, I want to just play. Oh, she's sizzling. Sizzle, sizzle. Why am I being so weird today? Now, you take your bag of marshmallows. Marshmallow, marshmallow. That's a deep cut if anyone knows. Fun fact, if you want to make those a little more elevated, you can brown the butter first. Simply that's it. You just let the butter brown. It's like almost burnt, but not quite burnt, like a nice toasty brown. It adds nice depth of flavor, and we'll make them just a little more special. Today I'm doing regular though, but you can do that. A little pinch of salt in there. And now we make them melt. These are our arteries when we eat our fried food. Once the little lumps are all gone, then we're gonna add in our cereal. I'm so curious if Cal's gonna be like, I think I built it up too much. Like I told him something's happening, but he has no idea, and I'm scared he's gonna be like, wow. Like it is fun, but I think he thinks we're going like on a cruise or something. Yum. Who's gonna lick the spoon? Me. Who wants to go to the 4 Seasons Orlando? Me. I was gonna do the jerseys, but I think I'm just, cause I'm kind of short for time, gonna put it in here and then do like big squares maybe. We're moving on to the main star of the show, which we are gonna make copycat McDonald's chicken nuggets at home and top them with truffles and or caviar. Again, as I said, I saw this at the US Open this year. They were charging $100 for a box of 6. We can make them for way cheaper at home and honestly probably better and fresher. So you're gonna take ground chicken and put this into your food processor. I have to give a shout out to itsahero.com for this recipe. 1 single egg. Paste time. Ooh. Salmonella paste. So I wanted to get fresh truffles, but they didn't have them at the store. So instead they had these ones in a jar, which I think are just as good. And it says it comes in water. Oh! We'll just get them nice and dry, and then we'll try it later. Don't they look like little lychees? I didn't know they look like this.
Like weird blackberries.
So we got these. I'm gonna form them into little patties, and I've learned letting them chill in the fridge makes it easier. So I'm gonna do that first. Or maybe even a little freezer moment might help too.
Are they gonna be football shaped?
5. Oh, no, I'll make them regular.
Genius.
Thank you, I tried.
Moving on to one of my favorite appetizers ever. It's 3 ingredients. All you need are dates, goat cheese, bacon. You're good to go. They're sweet, they're salty, they're creamy, they're all the things, and they're so easy. Okay, brownies are done. We're gonna take them out and let them cool. Oh, they look so good. And then we'll cut them out when they're done. And this is just a little PSA to look at the size of things before you buy them on Amazon. I thought that this was gonna be bite-sized, and this is actually huge. We're gonna try and squeeze as many football brownies out of this as we can. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, push. Oh, the crunchy edge. Oh, shoot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Might be a little overcooked. Okay, here we go. The removal. Yay! Okay, she's cute. Ooh, okay. Why are they so crunchy? Oh, it's chewy. Overbaked, it's fine. He's not picky. Throwing it back to old Mr. Miyashin videos, circa 2014, we have candy melts here that I'm gonna melt in the microwave. Cute.
Yes. Jesus.
Yes. You guys made me laugh. You guys made me ink.
Jesus
Okay, sports. Okay, football. Yay. Okay, one thing done. You know, I thought I oiled them real good, but they are sticky. There we go. Ooh, bake sale. Oh, they look so good. Okay, Master Chef. Well, can't have. There's salt and marshmallow and Rice Krispie. Cal texted me, "You're ready?" I said, "Not yet. You can come in and go upstairs." Oh, okay, smiley face. Cool. So they didn't have dark green candy melts at Michael's, so we're like, oh, let's just use green food coloring. But I only have neon green, so what we're gonna do is do a little green. We're looking for Packers green, baby. I keep doing Southern. We need to do like Midwest.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We're gonna add just the smidge. Oh, that was a lot. The texture is changing also. Oh no, what's going on? Well, you know what? That's okay. We got our sprinkles. I'm filling up my bag with more white chocolate because this white chocolate already set. Have no fear. We're gonna go one at a time. We're gonna do white chocolate now this way. And then while she is nice and lubricated, I'm gonna transfer it to a bowl. We got our green sprinkles and we got our yellow sprinkles. Green and yellow, green and yellow, green and yellow. So cute. We got these little toothpicks. I'm gonna put them in the Rice Krispies. Defense. Oh my God, should I do a cheer from high school? Yes, I will. Defense. Let's roll. Get defense. Let's roll. Get the ball. Let's go. Defense. I'm doing it wrong. Get that ball back. Get that quarterback. Hold him down.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Stop. I was just thinking Mama could use a cup of coffee. We got we have our pretzel rods. To make it a little easier, you can turn your chocolate over and give it a good roll.
Yes,
Cute.
Aww.
Next up, we're gonna make the drink. It needs anywhere from like 15 to 60 minutes. So we're gonna throw all of our stuff in here and we're making a beer garita, which I've never made before and I hope it's good. But beer, I found a recipe online originally. I can't find it now, so I'm just making this up right now as we go. We got 1 can of beer. Woo! There we go, look at that. Okay, my heart's telling me 3 beers.
Go with your heart.
Then we have 1 limeade frozen concentrate. Get in there, girl. Then we'll do a cup of tequila. Why not? Woohoo! Turn her on and we'll do a spiked slush. Woohoo! Now we let her run. We're gonna make the queso. Honestly, actually, I should probably do it when Cal gets home because that's gonna take 5 minutes. I make it in the microwave. I'll share that with you in a minute. For now, let's prep the sauce for the chicken wings. And we're gonna do standard buffalo. All you need for this is butter and hot sauce. And that's it. I just realized I have butter, I have Parmesan, I have parsley, oh, and lots of garlic. So let's make a garlic parm version too. Why not? We got the stuff to make it. We're cutting it a little late. The game starts in 15 minutes. I mean, Cal's not home yet, so it's okay. We might just be serving at halftime. That's all right. I got my garlic cloves. Ah, Cal! Okay, stopping at the dry cleaners, and then he's on his way home. Let's put the game on. Let's go football! throw the garlic in, kind of sizzling there while the butter's still hot. Hey. Ooh, our sauce is bubbling. You see that, girl? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's luscious. That's what we wanted.
Are you alright?
You filmed that?
Yes.
I'm okay.
Those are gorgeous, wow.
All right, we got our garlic and our butter, a little salt, a little pepper. We're gonna throw some parsley in there, and then we have regular grated parm here. Toss them in the sauce. Coat them in that buttery mixture. Wingstop, could never. Taste test.
Ooh.
Oh my God. We're making a little buttermilk ranch for the wings. We've got buttermilk to loosen her up, and then ranch seasoning. Hot fire. Hot. Ooh, look at that luscious looking sauce. We're gonna make the queso. It's so easy. This is from Bare Feet in the Kitchen. I've used this recipe for years. Shout out to Miss Bare Feet in the Kitchen. You just need white American cheese, and you literally just throw this into the microwave in a bowl with milk, water, some spices, and you just mix it up, and it's Cal's favorite thing in the world. He loves queso blanco more than me, honestly. We just got word that Cal is here. I'm gonna do the chicken nuggets. Oh, I'm gonna hit go on the queso. I've got it here, all of my things in the microwave.
What do you think is going on today, Cal?
I have no idea. I just got back from a movie and now I'm like, what's going on?
With our chicken nuggets, you're gonna dip it into the cornstarch, and then after the cornstarch, you're gonna dip it into the batter, and just repeat that. I'm actually gonna do this by the fryer and just throw them in there. Came through dripping, drip, drip. And lower her into the fryer. Woo! Whoop! They're like fluffy, maybe like one more minute, and then I think they'll be done. Ooh, look at that golden brown color. We have our chicken nuggets. Each chicken nugget is gonna get a little dollop of creme fraiche, and then half are gonna get the caviar that I got, and the other half are gonna get truffles. Ooh. Wow. Just a mound. Wow.
That's crazy.
Ashton.
Wow. I hope she sure tastes good. Ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
It's game day!
It's game day!
I completely forgot about the game day.
Go, Pat, go!
This is crazy.
We've got football brownies. We got
We have a whole menu.
frozen beer burritos. It's beer mixed with tequila. Then we
What?
have your queso blanco, garlic parmesan wings, homemade
Holy crap.
chicken nuggets with caviar and truffles, bacon wrapped dates, Rice Krispies, pretzel rods.
This is crazy.
I know.
That's a lot of caviar.
I know. Ready? On a Packers plate.
That's really good.
Is it actually good?
There's no sense.
Okay, Cal's gonna try his first beer. Oh, it's just liquid. It's fine. Here, try it. It's my own personal recipe.
What else did you put in this?
Try it.
Not bad. I can't really taste the beer though.
Did you enjoy your surprise?
Wow. I feel like a winner today. Hopefully the Packers win too.
On that note, we're all gonna eat this food now. Bye!